So opening a chart on WebTrader is very, very simple. Remember when you have the watch list, at the moment we got gold open. Say we want to open up pound US dollar, just click on it. Click on the left hand side, pound US dollar opens up. Okay, very, very simple. Click on gold, gold opens up. US dollar JPY, US dollar JPY opens up. You can click here to full screen it. You can scroll by scrolling your wheel, your mouse wheel, etc. And we can also customize the colors as before. So let's say we want the same sort of color scheme where bearish candles are black, bullish candles are blue. We just right click the chart, go to settings, and here at the top where you see these two candles, the body of the bullish candle, we said we want blue, and we want bearish to be black. The borders, we're going to do the same color. And the wick, we will do the same color as well. If we click OK, you can see now we've got blue and black candles. We can also change the background. So let's go back into settings. And we have a bunch of different settings as well that you can play around with. So you can do the gradient of the background. Sorry, the opacity of the background. And we can also do the background color. So if we want a nice white colored background, we can either do it as a gradient, so white to a different color, or we can just have it solid and we'll choose white. And there we have it. We now have white background, blue for bullish, black for bearish, and you can change the color scheme however you like. Okay, so very, very simple, just like before, very, very simple.